at some point it should bind, which it doesn't do, even though after I release it, it gets stuck in a loop of nothingness. And then the other problem is it requires me to upload Betaflight or whatever, Betaflight, to possibly fix whatever's going on, but I'm just really not that interested in messing with that. So I mean, you see how this is not binding for some reason? I don't know why. This is the version that has frsky on it, so yes, FlySky should be able to connect to it no problem. Let's try the battery that I bought for it. There we go. Would it bind? Would it bind? Maybe this has to go on first and then this. I don't know. We'll try that too. I'm pretty sure it won't. And there you have it. Nothing happens. I could turn this off and then turn it back on. And then...
Likey.